Most people will never be struck by lightning in their lifetime, but one man was struck 7 different times. His name was Roy Sullivan, a park ranger working in Shenandoah National Park. The first lightning strike burned his toenail. Another time, lightning hit his head and set his hair on fire. In another strike, it burned his shoulder and knocked him unconscious. Somehow, Roy Sullivan survived every single strike. Because of this unbelievable record, he earned the nickname, the Human Lightning Rod. This is Ancient Hour. Subscribe for more mysteries.